Hello everyone, and today we're going to be playing Classic Airplane Wars. Now, we might have a problem because I don't actually know how to get out of here. Wait, can we destroy our own plane? Now, that's just brutal. Oh no! Well, that was a bad idea. That was very bad. But it's still on that lane, so now it's time for Bommy Ball. Just like they did to us. Oh, whole wing off. Whole wing goes off. One. Quick step back. Oh! Again! Ah! Why did it not? Yes. Oh! No! Oh, I have to respawn now. Come on, why doesn't it let me go on top of the other team's plane? And now it's time for a Bommy Ball. And oh my god! I lost my arm! No! Boom! Where's the bomb? And I lost my arm. But... what? No! I can't... I can't do anything because I lost my arm. Oh, thank God. Right, no! I was still broken from the... No! I don't have any items. Okay, I'm back and I actually have items and an arm. Most importantly, the arm though, because or else I can't actually get anything. And yes, that's just whoa. No! Ah! Oh my god, is this plane coming around? No! I know it. Wait, where is it? Oh no, it's following me! Ah. I'm not! Anyways, let's use this and get out of here. No, not like that. Yes! No! Crap. And now I'm out. I'll be right off. What? No! I died. Okay. That now it's not anymore Mr. Nice Pikachu. Whoa! Whoa! Why? Oh my god! Ah! What's going on? What's going on here? Yes, now we're not being shaken up and I'm not falling off the plane. Ah! Someone get me down from it! Ow. Anyways. Ow! Toe. Okay. Ow. I'm on the plane. Ow, it's on my toe. Well, I know a practically amazing hiding spot. I'm going to stay here on the enemy's plane. But no! Yeah, you need a lot to go with that. But I'm gonna go in there to entertain you guys. Anyways. Oh no. What do I do? Oh wait. Wait, why do I not have a grappling hook? Yes, I have a grappling hook. And now point out the blue. No! No! Oh, what was that? Okay, pass under here. Oh no, I need to get to the top. I need to get to the top. Wait, why is this guy not attacking me? Anyways, come on. Oh. No! That natural movement to get to my hiding spot. Like this. And here it is. Back of the plane. There's this area. No! There's, I'll show you. Okay. You need to get right in there. So practically. No, I can't do it! Ow! Yes. Oh my God. Ha! Kill that dude. Anyways, this area can only be achieved by lots of work and effort. I hate this game! And on that note, we'll end off the video. Bye!